You are most welcome to this presentation. This is algebraic mathematics channel. In this presentation, we are going to learn how to construct the Pascal's triangle. So stick up to the end for better understanding of this concept. In many times, you've been using the Pascal's triangle, for example, to expand expressions, like when it comes to binomial expansion. So one can use the Pascal's triangle, of which when you don't know how to formulate it or to construct it, it may look to be hectic to you. So it's what we are going to do as per this video. So it's called Pascal's triangle because when it is constructed, you see it forms a triangle-like structure, which now is used to expand expressions. So let us now kickstart. Simply here we begin by writing a 1. Then having written 1, we move to the next level down. We have to write another 1. Then we ask ourselves, what is 1 plus 1? We get a 2. Then lastly, we write a 1. Simply, we are going to be doing the same. The next one, we are going to write a 1 still. Then we ask ourselves, the 1 plus 2, we get 3. So we have to put here 3. Then also 2 plus the 1 that I've circled, still we get a 3. That means here we have another 3, like for this case here. Then we write a 1 at the end. So as we move to the next step, still we shall write a 1. Then the 1 plus the 3, we get a 4. Then the 3 plus 3, we get the 6. So we have right there 6. Then the 3 plus a 1, we simply get the 4. So we write there 4. Then lastly a 1. We move to the next step. Still, we shall begin by writing a 1. Then this 1 plus the 4, we get the 5. So we write this 5 here, as you can see for this level. Then we get this 4 plus the 6, which gives us the 10. Then still this 6 plus 4, we get the 10 again. Then this 4 plus a 1, we get the 5. Then lastly, write a 1. So we can proceed. I said here we have to write a 1. Then we get this 1 plus the 5, which gives us the 6. Then this 5 plus the 10, it gives us the 15. And we have to write 15 there. Then this 10 plus 10, it gives us 20. Then 10 plus this 5, it gives us still again 15. Then this 5 plus a 1, which gives us a 6. Then lastly, write 1. So it continues in that order as it forms a structure that looks to be a triangle. That's why it's called the Pascal's triangle. So you try to come up with the next level here, which has to begin with 1. Then the next one is gonna be the 7. Then complete the rest. So if this video has been of value and helped you, kindly subscribe the channel algebraic for more videos of mathematics. Next presentation, we shall discuss and get to know how we can expand expressions using this Pascal's triangle. See you again next time. Goodbye.